Hello, welcome back. We're doing Chapter 10, Section 3, Data Distributions. And I'm going to do problem number 6 in this video for the guided practice problems. This is where we're not quite there yet, but we're leading toward making decisions about the numbers, the statistics. So, 5 students measured the distance from their home and the school. All right? So, and they rounded off to the nearest mile. So one student lives 3 miles away, 3 students each live 2 miles away, and another student lives 15 miles away. He, she, or they have quite the commute. Before you start thinking, well, who would live that far away? What's 15 miles away from Highland Park? I mean, basically, I think you could get anywhere within most of St. Paul or even Minneapolis and the surrounding suburbs within 15 minutes, or 15 miles, excuse me. So why does that happen? For my high school, when I was in high school, my school was a kind of a county school. It was actually called Western Boone, Boone being the county. So I actually lived about 20 some miles away from the school, and I had to drive that far once I got my driver's license, but I had to drive that far anyway to get to, like, cross country, swimming, and track. So it does happen. For the urban schools, you're probably living a little bit closer, but not necessarily. I suppose you could come from the suburbs and still go to Highland. Anyway, in the previous video, we taught how, or we did examples of how to find the mean, the mode, and the median. These have already been figured out for you. The mean is 2.8. The median and the mode are both 2. So if I put these numbers in order, so I'm going to take that 3 and put it here, then the number in the middle will be probably that 2. They're all the same, it doesn't matter. If I add them all up and divide by 5, I'm going to get the mean, 2.8. And of course, the mode is 2, shows up 3 times. So let's make some decisions based on this. Which value describes the distance between the home and the school that occurs the most often? So for part A, most means mode. And the mode would be 2. 3 of these 5 students live 2 miles away from the school. For part B, which value best describes the distance between home and school? So I think it would be 2, because it's both the median and the mode. So you could say the mode or the median, which are both 2, but not the mean. And the reason why we say not the mean, which is 2.8, is because this 15 miles distance kind of like skews it, that's an actual word, skews it away from where the middle is. I do have the 3, which is not exactly 2, so the mean, if without the 15, the mean would be, let's see, 9 divided by 4, whatever 9 divided by 4, like, I don't know, 2 point something, okay? 2.25 actually. But because this is pulled over more by the 15, the mean is too big. All right, we'll see you in the next video.